Alright guys, so before we even hop into the video today, just want to let you guys know that I am officially posting videos on Tuesdays and Saturdays now. So every Tuesday, every Saturday, expect a video from your boy. So don't forget to hit that like button so that way you can follow along with me to my path to hit 6 figures this year. Because that's my overall goal this year with my portfolio is happening. So let's get it. But like I said, like this video. Don't forget to subscribe. Madly appreciate it. And let's get into the 3 stocks that I'm talking about today. Now, there are 3 stocks that have caught my attention that pay out dividends, and I think these companies will be around for many years. One, if you guys watching in my previous videos, I've talked about before, it's not in my portfolio. It was in my portfolio when I first started, but since then I have shaved a lot of stocks out of my portfolio. Currently now in my actual portfolio, I should only have about 4 to 5 stocks. That should be AT&T, OKE, MO, and Chevron gas station. And the 5th stock was EPD, but I'm thinking I want to invest in MMP. I'm going to swap EPD out for MMP. I haven't fully made up my mind yet, but that's on the horizon. I'll let you guys know if I deem it to be. So if I swap, I'll let you guys know. But I do want to add probably another 2 stocks to my portfolio. And for anybody who's wondering why do I only have about 4 stocks in my portfolio, it's because I want to get a surplus of those shares before I add in more. And I know what you think, you just dollar cost averaging. Well, I am, but my goal is to pretty much maximize everything. And by that, what I mean is I really figure if I get 100 shares of this company I deem really good, or 200 shares, which is what I'm aiming for, I should be able to get a decent dividend payout because I invest $500 every week. So if I can get the dividend payout to be close as possible to $200, that plus me entering in $500 a week can really double down, and I should be able to cover more ground. And pretty much those other stocks that I'm going to add in, I should be able to get a large quantity of them shares fairly quick. Now, I do not recommend this for everybody, but it's a process and a strategy that I'm basing, in my mind it sounds immaculate, and personally for me it has been working. Because 3 of my shares, which is the EPD, AT&T, and OKE, they all pay out the same month. So that 1 month payout is roughly around $180 to $190, which is pretty good. Chevron gas station, I haven't had 100 shares yet, but I'm working on it. But once I get about 40 more shares of that should pay me out roughly $129 also a month. And then I have OM, which pays me about $86 a month. But that's my strategy, and my overall thought process about it is if I can gain a surplus of shares and I can start accumulating a decent amount every month, that plus what I put in will help me double down and compound to really get a decent amount of those shares so I can move on to the next one. So with that being said, the first stock that I'm most definitely telling you guys about that I'm considering is Johnson & Johnson. Johnson & Johnson is a highly renowned company, very good dividend, 99% dividend safety rate. Johnson & Johnson not going anywhere anytime soon. It's an amazing company, great dividend, and I really think that this stock should be in my portfolio. If not next, it will be probably the one after next, without a doubt. Johnson & Johnson does pay out dividend. It's pretty nice, but that price tag on it is very significant. And for my strategy of me wanting to buy at least 100 shares or 200 shares, that 150 plus price tag for 1 share is kind of different. It is, and that's the reason I haven't added it to my portfolio. I most definitely wanted it, but like I said, with my strategy, how I'm trying to do it is it doesn't fit to add it in just now. The next stock that I've been having my eye on is yet again a very high price stock, but yet again I don't think this stock can go anywhere for no reason. I don't care what happened. Pandemic, COVID-20, nothing can stop this stock from ever like really just blowing up, because it's something that we use every day. There's no way you don't use it every day. Well, there's a way, but I'm pretty sure you use it in some shape, form, or fashion. And this is the stock PG, which stands for Protector and Gambler. And pretty much what this stock is, it is pretty much a stock that holds everything that you're using. We talking about dishwashing liquid. We talking toothpaste, deodorant, feminine products, tissues. Protector and Gambler pretty much hold everything that's in your bathroom closet right now. And I recently found out from about this stock watching Mr. Wonderful's video. No, shout out to him, amazing guy, be rich. But I was looking through one of his portfolios and I came across this stock, which was Protector and Gambler. And oddly enough, I'd never heard of it before. So after diving into it and really looking into the company, this company literally holds everything. You're talking Dawn, Tide washing, washing powder, dishwashing liquid, tissue, feminine products, everything, toothpaste. It holds so much. And I was like, wow, how did I not know this company exists? If you don't know, you were just like me, hey, go look it up. Protector and Gambler, ticker symbol PG. This stock right here is probably like on my top number one adding to my portfolio, hands down, just because everything that's in that company just screams forever. To me, I don't see that company going down. They most definitely have a fanboy in me. This is like my number one pick to add to my portfolio next. Not even gonna lie to you guys, it is. Current stock price of that, when I was recording this video, is around $138. Like I said, pretty significant. It's about $20 cheaper than Johnson & Johnson. But like I said, Johnson & Johnson not going anywhere. We all know this. But Protector and Gambler, I'm pretty positive that's going nowhere. They have my vote. It will be in my portfolio, most definitely. And of course, the last stock that I'm pretty much considering adding to my portfolio would be the Dividend King, Warren Buffett's favorite soda pop company, Coca-Cola. Yes, I said it. I'm actually considering adding Coca-Cola into my portfolio because I don't think it's going anywhere anytime soon. Like I said, they've been paying dividend for a supreme amount of time. And the best thing I like about the company is the price of the stocks is fairly cheap. At last, when I started recording this video, they were selling for around $51. So for about $5K, I can snag me 100 shares, which I think I can do fairly well and quick. And that's another reason why this stock is going to get added to my portfolio. They pay like 41 cents per dividend. So I can, if I was able to push in about 5K, I should be able to roughly get around $41. That's a significant amount to add to my overall income for the portfolio for such a low price of 5K versus me having to dive in 13 to 15K with Johnson & Johnson and Protector Gambler. This stock is really easing up to be one of the choices that I went ahead and grab first, just so it's my strategy. Like I said, I like to buy 100 shares, 200 shares, so I can really get that income to compound with how much I add in on a weekly basis to really chomp away at some of these larger stocks, well, higher price stocks that I want to add to my portfolio. But these are my three main choices I'm looking at, but I will give you guys one honorable mention that I was considering, and that would be Verizon Wireless. I most definitely was considering adding them to the mix, but the only reason I didn't, I'm trying to make sure I diversify. And since I have AT&T, and I actually want to make sure I really want around 200 to 300 shares of AT&T at that. But I really want to diversify before I add another phone company like Verizon Wireless. They're an amazing dividend. Like I said, you should most definitely look into them if you look for companies to add to your portfolio. Me personally, they're on the list, just it's not at the top of my list. These three stocks are stocks that I must have, and truthfully, they're gonna get got. Like I said, I think I'm gonna secure Coca-Cola first, and then I'm gonna put 250 of the 500 I invest a week into both Particular Gamma and Johnson Johnson until I can, start chomping away at that. But these three stocks are the utmost stocks that are in my eyesight to add to my portfolio. I'm very curious to see what you guys are adding to your portfolio, how many shares you have, what's your overall dividend strategy. I'm very curious because I don't know if mine is A1, but it's been working for me fairly well, and I'm very curious to see what other dividend investors are doing. Like, do you guys just pull an M1 finance and put 3 for every stock that's in your portfolio, or I don't know. I'm very curious, but leave a comment down in there. We can get talking about it. A very, very interesting topic that I really want to talk about. So, like I said, like this video, comment down below. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button on this video. And like I said, I just want to remind everybody I will be dropping 2 videos a week, every Tuesday and every Saturday. So, see you guys on Saturday. It's your boy Exia, and I'm out.